Let's have a short and sweet video about the purple heart or purple queen plant. I'll give you all details you need to successfully propagate this plant from cuts or unhappy plant. In the next few minutes, you can see how these unhappy plant could be converted into these nice purple one. See, this plant is not happy, so let's take a moment and try to get some cuts. See, there are no leaves on this stem. So for purple hearts, what you need is 2 or 3 nodes plus 1 or 2 leaves. If you can look at here, we have 1 node here, 2 nodes here, and third one. Just right below the node, you can remove stem, and then you can keep 2 leaves on this cut. Okay, right now you can see we have a cut with 2 leaves and at least 3 or 4 nodes. This is a proper cut. And here also we can just remove these lower leaves and we have this cut with 3 nodes. This could be directly transferred into potting mix or water. And for water, you need to wait for a few weeks. They start to generate roots, and then you can transfer them into potting mix, like this one and this one. Here I will show you how I took 9 cuts from this plant 38 days ago and convert them into this nice pot. By the way, if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. As you can see, more than 80% of my viewers are not subscribed to this channel. Let's make this community bigger. Here we have a long stem which lost many leaves, but as you can see at the top part, still there are many healthy leaves that we can use. To propagate purple hearts, usually you need 2 or 3 nodes with 1 or 2 leaves. Those nodes are important because roots will emerge from those nodes. Sometimes even 1 node is enough if you don't have a big cut, and it will work and it could generate new plants. But if you have 2 or 3 nodes, it will boost the growth and it will increase your chance. As your time is precious, so I will speed up the process so you can see how I'm taking all those cuts that we want to propagate. To properly grow these cuts, I'm using combination of normal potting mix with the 20 to 30% of perlite, which makes proper drainage for plants. I prepare 9 cuts, so let's transfer them into potting mix. I'm using a piece of wood. You can use anything to provide the space in potting mix and transfer your cut, and keep in mind to tighten your plant in place. I will speed up process so you can see how I'm transferring all of my 9 cuts into this pot. Now let's add good amounts of water to our pot and keep this plant in a bright place. Right now you can see these cuts are not very happy, but let's wait for the results. Finally, this is the result after 38 days. You can see how much these plants are happy. They grown, leaves are purple. Out of 9 cuts that I transferred to this pot, 8 of them were successfully, except this one. Finally, if you like to know about these beautiful ladies which are curlies, please watch my playlist here.